Guys, look what I've got here. Yes. It's my first ever fire alarm panel. Yay. So I'm just gonna show it to you while I make this video. So look, I'm gonna start it and I need to click on this button real quick, so I'll be back. Okay, so let's do that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now everything should be working. So I got 2 troubles on this one, cause no, I got 1 trouble. But even if I plug the batteries in, I have the trouble. So let's pull one of these fire alarm. So let's start with the BG12. And now what we can do is reset it, and then I can click reset, and then so that was the first pull station I installed. So now we're gonna pull this one. This is my really special GE French 270 SPO, so 270 SPOF because it's French. So 3, 2, 1. We can hear the relay doing its job. So now let's go and reset this. Okay, now it has been set on zone 3. Even if it's not a good thing that it says surveillance instead of, because this panel is French, but when I have it plugged on my demo board, I'll transfer it to English for you guys. So now it says surveillance, and yeah, it's supposed to be station manuelle, and station manuelle means pull station. So now let's reset the pull station, if I can get this zoom out. Okay, now it has been reset, and then now we can reset the panel.